Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to use the Influenster app. So when you first log on, this is pretty much what you're looking at. You've got posts from different people all over. These are the different polls that you can do here. All different sorts and types of things that you can do on here. And it's very, very interactive. You can actually like people's posts. This is actually something that a person got from Influenster. So you can choose to like some of the posts and things like that. You can also see things that they have recommended here that they would possibly like for you to do reviews and things on. And then, you know, that's just pretty much what the home screen looks like. Then up here at the top, there's other different types of things that you can do. You can search products that you're looking for. If there's different types of products that you want to look for. You can also scan products and things that you're looking for. All you guys were able to see was my legs, but you guys get the gist. So I don't have a lot, you know, going on here. I do plug my YouTube channel and things on there. Here are actually all of my badges and things. Let me try to go back here. So here are all my badges and things that I've earned. There's, you know, tons of different badges that I still have to earn, but so far here are all the badges that I have earned, and there's other different badges that you can earn. So I've done a total of 38 reviews. I have a total of 12 medias here, and I can choose to write a review, ask a question, or add media. So a question that I would possibly ask, and they also say tag the product if you want to, and upload a photo. A question that I would possibly ask is, what, if I can spell, what is a good moisturizing shampoo for natural hair? So I can just ask something as simple as that and post that question, and then I will be putting it under different sorts of things. So of course this would go under hair products, it would go under hairstyling products and shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that. So then there is my question there. So I have, what is a good moisturizing shampoo for natural hair? And that's one of my questions there. And you guys get a higher chance of earning VOXBOXES when you're interactive on this website or on this app. So that's one way of earning VOXBOXES, by being interactive on here. And these are a couple campaigns that I'm a part of right now. Sometimes I don't really do them unless, you know, there's something that I want to really do, but those are campaigns that I could participate in. So here is my feed here. As you guys can see, these are all the different sorts of posts that I post on my Influencer page here. And I just post all different sorts of products that I've received from VOXBOX, as well as other products that I have not even received from VOXBOX. But yeah, just different types of ways to acquire VOXBOXES. And then as far as media, here is all the media here that I have posted. Not much, but you know, you guys get the gist of it. So what a lot of these things here mean is this little fire thing next to the one, I have a 1-day streak of getting on Influenster. I have to really like up my times on getting on Influencer, because The more that I get on here and the more that I have a streak, then the better my chances are of getting VOXBOXES. So anytime that you really use and utilize this app, that's actually a good chance of you getting VOXBOXES. So the 691 impact score, that's pretty much all my social media accounts that I have listed with Influenster. All of them combined together, I have a 691 impact on Influenster. So the bigger my impact is, the more that I'm going to get Influenster or VOXBOXES. And as far as the followers goes, that's pretty self-explanatory. I only have 8 followers on here. I don't have many followers on here. But if you guys do want to follow me on Influenster, my Influencer is FabVictoria94, which is the same as pretty much all of my other platforms and things. If you guys do get VOXBOXES that are sent to you, you will have them under your campaigns here. As you guys can see, I have 26 new snaps. So what snaps are is, you know, pretty much just all of these different things here. But snaps are pretty much products that you have here. So if you get foods and beverages that you want to review, you can do that. If you have makeup that you want to review, alcohol, hair care, ice cream, skincare, anything. If you keep constantly filling these things out, then Influencer will notice and they will start to give you more VOXBOXES because they see that you have completed a lot of these different snaps. So here are a couple different things here on Influencer. So when you are doing your preferences and things, as far as, you know, how your preferences go, like what your household is, what your skin type is, what your, you know, face type is, then, you know, Influencer likes to know what kind of preferences you'd like. So when they do start, when you do start receiving VOXBOXES and things, it's going to be all items that you wanted because they're fit for you. So once again, your impact score is based off of all social medias that you have, and once, you know, Influencer sees that, you know, you have all these different impact scores, then they boost your overall, because, you know, they're looking at, this is how many people you are, you know, can win over, so they're willing to give you more when they see that you have a bigger audience. So when you connect more social medias, then that just means more impact score, meaning more VOXBOXES. So you can also invite friends. Here is my invite code here. I will also have the invite code in the description box down below. That way you guys can use my invite code, and you guys can join Influencer, and it will, you know, increase both of our chances of winning VOXBOXES. So this is a place called My Lists. As you guys can see, I haven't even really, you know, done this part. There is quite a bit that I still don't even know about Influencer myself. So there's, you know, a couple things that I need to figure out myself with Influencer. But guys, I think that is pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions about Influencer and how to use it and how you would like to, you know, check things out and stuff, I will feel free to answer those questions. Just let me know in the description box down below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. So here are like little hashtag things and things that you can be a part of here. Once again, these are different types of things that help you with acquiring VOXBOXES and things, because they like to see that you're doing little challenges and things that they have on here. So once you do things like this, these are things that possibly can make it easier for you to get VOXBOXES. So one thing that I do want to show you guys is how to scan products and things and do a review on here. So I'm just going to go to the barcode part, scan the barcode, and then I'm going to have the product already sitting there. And this is just one product that I've already used on my hair already. I actually did a video on it. I will have that video linked in the comment section down below. So I'm just going to start writing the review. So it says, what do you think about this product? I'm going to say the product was a good size. And they'll tell you when you know you've reached a good point with your thing here, with your review. As you can see, they're telling me keep writing, so I have to keep writing. So the product was a good size and it smelled amazing. So now that I have my review done for this product, I'm going to go ahead and add a picture. And I have the brand tagged. And then I'm going to go ahead and post it. And then as you guys can see, it's saying congratulations, I've posted it. And then I'm just going to plug where I got it from. I believe I got it from online, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It says, is this good for dry scalp? I'm just gonna say not sure, because I don't know and I don't want to steer anyone in the wrong direction. So that is how you post something on Influenster. Just keep on watching, and I'm going to show you guys the emails that you should look out for when you do get VOXBOXES. Alright guys, so this is the email that you want to look out for. Here is what the email will say. it will say, are you a perfect fit? And it will have two different options. It will say, are you going to opt in or opt out? You're definitely going to want to opt in if it's something that you want to do. It will send you to this survey in regards of what it is that you will be getting the VOXBOX for. And you will be filling it out based off of your own preferences. Once you fill it out, this is the page that you'll get, and then you click next. Then it'll say you finished the survey. After that, then you're gonna go to this part where it says, do you wanna opt in? I usually say opt in to share my info, but you can always choose to opt out. Then you're gonna also choose which products you want to opt in and which products you want to opt out. So it doesn't matter if you decide to opt out, it won't affect your chances of getting VOXBOXES in the future. So once you're done with that part, you're going to hit next, and then it's going to send you to another page. It's going to send you to this page where you put all of your info, and then you'll be in the running of getting a VOXBOX. Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!